Well, the worst thing that could possibly happen in the morning happened. I was struck by a deer. I was coming down Tyrone Road, made a left onto Dogwood. As soon as I got past the wooded area, the deer hit me on the left side. I pulled over into the driveway. There on the right. I never saw the deer until it was too late. The forward collision warning lights never went off. The deer died upon impact. Thankfully, I didn't drop the bike. I was able to keep it up as I came to the stop in that driveway. Called 911, reported it. Ambulance showed up, checked me out. I was able to move my ankle, rotate it and everything. They didn't feel anything in it. So there was no need to go to the hospital. Currently, right now, it's still swollen, bruised, but it's getting better. And, I consider myself pretty lucky because this could have been a whole lot worse. Everything that I've looked at the bike, it seems to be mostly plastics that's destroyed. There's no check engine lights, warning lights, or codes for the adaptive cruise control or any of the radars, the electronics for the front suspension. Mostly it's just plastics. I think the whole left side fairings are going to need to be replaced. The upper cowl is probably going to need to be replaced. Maybe some of the right fairings are going to need to be replaced. Radiators dented and banged up, and the cornering light on the left side is toast as well. Using RevZilla and looking at parts diagram, everything I've looked at so far, is just under $6,000 in repairs. Right now, the bike's back at Mountain Motorsports where I bought it. They'll be writing up an estimate to turn over to the insurance company, and hopefully everything gets approved and they can start ordering parts to repair the bike. Be sure you hit that subscribe button and the bell icon for notifications so you can keep up with the progress of the repairs of the bike. I'll be updating either through videos or shorts as I find out more. But right now, I'll go ahead and show some footage that I filmed before I took it to the dealership to get the estimate done.